Hello and welcome to another edition of Tech Planet with Sammy Line. If you love technology, you like people, and you like news around finances, this is the right place to be. It is Tech Planet.
It'll basically do anything you want. So it can be a teacher, babysit your kids, it can walk your dog, mow your lawn, get the groceries, just be your friend, serve drinks. Whatever you can think of, it will do. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Elon Musk has just revealed the latest version of Optimus. In today's video, I will talk about Optimus and the future of work, the rise of robotics, artificial intelligence, and the rest. Tesla's humanoid robots today was revealed in the Capitol Hill in the United States. It is faster, it is smarter, and more capable than ever before. With these advanced AI systems, it is capable of moving hands, it is fast, it is thinking so smart, with real-life sensory systems that could make it fast in decision taking. Okay, Optimus is geared up to reshape the future of many industries. As it now, it is estimated that Optimus will cost about $20,000. This is what this AI powered system could be, and it could actually replace some industries, some places where human labor was needed in manufacturing, in logistics, in customer service, and others. Now, this is not all about bad news and those that will be losing their jobs. It is also on the positive part where some persons will be gaining. Some new jobs will be curated in the field of robotics, in the field of AI development, in automation management. All of this stuff will also be gaining in the emerging technology. But the question is, are you really ready? Stay tuned as we dive into this glorious future that is lying ahead with this advancement in technology, how Optimus and other technology, other AI robots will change the future of work, and these opportunities that it is going to introduce and the jobs that will be at risk in the coming months. What do you think? Do you think that Optimus is going to be a threat or is going to be a breakthrough? Because this bot is going to do a lot of things that your domestic staff will do. It can cook, it can teach your children. Well, I don't want to take my word for it. I want you to listen to the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk himself, as he explains it. But don't forget to drop your comments, and please like this video so that this video will be recommended for several other people, and subscribe. Just hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload cutting edge technology, you also be among the first to get this kind of insight. Elon Musk is going to explain to us how this works and the advancement in this robotics. All right, and Fox News gave the news on how it was revealed in Capitol Hills for demonstration. Capitol is the equivalent of their own National Assembly. Okay, what do you think, friends? Robotics are here. If you don't brace up, your job will be taken over. But it is also a good thing when you brace up, you are also going to have a wonderful time enjoying this new robotics. Just imagine that with $20,000, you have a robot in the house that does every work for you, that you don't need to do this monthly payment. A lot of guys in the domestic staff business will lose their jobs. So just take a look and watch this video to the end, and please subscribe to Tech Planet.
Like in 2026, it's really the kind of thing where you could tell it to do kind of a wide range of tasks.
Elon Musk has once again sent the world into a frenzy by unexpectedly teasing a special mission involving Optimus, the humanoid robot developed by Tesla. But this time, Optimus isn't just some factory assistant or a basic task-performing machine. A series of newly announced upgrades show that it has advanced far beyond what the public previously knew. Leaked information reveals that Optimus will be fully autonomous in extreme environments, using cutting-edge AI to adapt to situations that haven't been pre-programmed. Its self-repair mechanism allows it to keep running without human intervention, while next-gen energy technology ensures sustained high performance over long periods. Most notably, an upgraded sensor system and navigation algorithms will enable Optimus to move with impressive agility and handle complex tasks beyond imagination. So why are these groundbreaking upgrades being rolled out now? Just how big is the mission Optimus is gearing up for? The mysteries behind this operation are slowly unfolding, and it might just redefine how we see the future of humanity. Specifically, in a post mentioning Optimus on X, Elon Musk revealed, "Starship departs for Mars at the end of next year, carrying Optimus. If those landings go well, then human landings may start as soon as 2029, although 2031 is more likely. When it comes to Optimus and what it could do for humans on Earth and Mars, one thing's for sure, the future is already taking shape. AI can tell you the recipe for any dish, but it can't cook it for you. That's exactly why Tesla created Optimus. And its mission is not just crucial for the company, but for humanity as a whole. Imagine a world where humans and robots coexist, working side by side to reach new heights. We're talking humanoid robots everywhere, on the streets, in stores, hospitals, factories, anywhere labor is needed. Forget for a second whether Elon Musk will actually succeed in sending Optimus to Mars. Back in late 2022, when he first announced the project, plenty of people were skeptical. A humanoid robot, what could it really do? Was this just another far-fetched dream? But month after month, year after year, we've watched Optimus evolve, not just as a machine, but as a symbol of innovation and a giant leap forward in technology. Tesla isn't just building a robot, they're creating a companion for humanity. With advanced AI, Optimus isn't just about walking, lifting heavy objects, or following simple commands. It learns, adapts, and integrates into its environment. It could work in factories, assist with household chores, and even provide support in hospitals or nursing homes. Now picture this. One day, every household might have an Optimus robot, just like how smartphones went from being a luxury to an everyday necessity. Could this happen sooner than we think? What makes Optimus truly special is its brain. Unlike other robots that are simply programmed to perform basic tasks, Optimus is built on Tesla's self-driving software platform. It doesn't just see the world through camera eyes, it processes information like an artificial neural network, similar to how humans perceive and react to their surroundings. With an astonishing pace of innovation, Tesla has surpassed long-standing players in the robotics industry in just 2 years. If a Tesla car is essentially a four-wheeled AI-driven robot, then Optimus is the embodiment of AI in human form. Before continuing the conversation about Optimus, please help us subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and share, so that we have more motivation to launch analysis videos, as well as share the latest updates about. In our view, the real value of Optimus isn't just in its technology, it's in its mission, freeing humans from boring, dangerous, and repetitive jobs. Imagine a world where factory workers no longer have to do back-breaking labor, where the elderly never feel lonely, because Optimus is there to care for them and keep them company. This isn't some sci-fi fantasy, it's a future that Tesla is actively building. We believe that by 2026, when Optimus enters mass production and hits the market, the world will witness a revolution. Barriers of cost, technology, and public perception will start to break down. And the question won't be if Optimus will succeed, but when we'll have one of these robots in our own homes. Over 1 billion humanoid robots on Earth? Sounds far-fetched, right? But remember, just a few decades ago, people thought mobile phones and self-driving cars were impossible too. As technology explodes and costs drop, Optimus could become an everyday part of our lives sooner than we think. Like Elon Musk, the CEO of Mercedes-Benz has painted a bold vision for the near future. Humans may no longer be needed in car manufacturing plants across Europe. According to him, not just Mercedes-Benz, but all German automakers could fully automate their production lines to stay competitive with China. Mercedes-Benz has already taken a step into this new era with its humanoid robot pilot project. They claim that within the next 5 years, these robots won't just work alongside humans, they could completely replace factory workers. Meanwhile, in China, companies like BYD, NIO, Huawei, and Toyota are racing to integrate robots into production at an astonishing pace. Earlier this year, Elon Musk made an insane declaration. Tesla plans to mass produce between 500,000 and 1 million robots by 2027. Even this year, at least 5,000 to 10,000 Tesla bots are expected to roll out from the Fremont factory, with that number projected to skyrocket to 50,000 to 100,000 Optimus units by 2026, marking Tesla's official entry into the humanoid robot market. What's even more striking is Musk's belief that Tesla can scale Optimus production exponentially, potentially increasing output tenfold each year. If this claim had come from any other company, it might have been dismissed as unrealistic or overhyped. But with Tesla, this could be a future that's closer than we think.
If you're getting value in this video, please just give us a thumbs up, like, and share this video with somebody. The best way you can help us is to like the video so that it could be recommended for somebody else too. Today, the Optimus robot was revealed in the Capitol Hills, and here is Fox News report.
Someone stormed the Capitol today. Not the shaman again. It was Elon's robots. They go by Optimus. Lutnick says I'm going to have 5. And if a liberal burns my robot, they're going to rot. Now, these aren't the men that turn you on.
No, and so you know what's so interesting about this is Elon says that these men can do anything for you, right? And there's a lot of subliminal illusions, right, that are being created. And I think they want women to be very interested in these robots for, certain reasons. And I have to tell you, the only thing I want this robot for is to clean my house and to do my laundry. And I will make the investment. I think it is well worth it.
All right, so these robots aren't for guys, they're for women.
Well, that's what there's a lot of subliminal advertising. And
what do you think it's really aimed for?
Manufacturing, boring things like that. Although Elon does say that these are everyday robots.
So dishes.
Chores. I heard you were very happy about this, by the way.
Laundry.
Laundry, which laundry consumes my life. I do like 4 loads of laundry a day.
All right, so these are robots mostly for women who hate doing laundry.
And cleaning their house. But we don't want robots for other things. That's what men are for, and men are making a comeback.
These aren't sex robots.
No, but there's a lot of subliminal messages, Jesse.
Oh, like these robots can satisfy you?
Yes.
How?
Well, apparently women are going to want to have sex with these robots. And that's...
Sex robots?
Yes, and I have to say, that is not going to happen.
They can clean and have sex?
Oh my God, this is
So it's like a man that can clean.
I thought we were bringing masculinity back. Why do we need robots? I want a robot to, not take care of my child, but apparently Elon says that they could babysit, which I don't think I trust.
Would you
them.
trust a robot to babysit your children?
No.
How old are your children?
Well, I have one. He's 7, and I'm a helicopter mom, so I would not trust a robot to babysit my child. That's my job. But I think these robots will come in handy. And by the way, they're only $20,000 to $30,000.
That's it? Well, with the prices the babysitters are charging, I might have a robot look after Gigi. I'm serious. We can save a lot of money. Katrina, thank you so much.
Talking about robotics, just in case you missed our previous video where we took time to explain how the latest investment by NVIDIA and other companies came together to invent a system that delivers parcels to your doorstep. Just in case you missed that video, I want you to click on the link because it is coming up right after now.